Come test drive the 2017 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel ABS, keyless start, front floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.